How to replace a new motherboard on battery. Your tools needed is a tweezer, Phillips screwdriver, mallet hammer, your rubber buttons, and a Phillips screw with your soldering gun. Negative cable goes with B minus. Apply pressure. Grab positive B2. Battery pack number 1 is installed. Battery pack number 2, positive B2, negative B1, B negative. That's battery pack number 2. I'm gonna grab positive cable, B plus. What we're connecting here is what charges the battery with the station. B minus. Check if it has power. 4 lights. Red is negative, black is positive. That's your 2 connectors. Grab one side of it. Grab your rubber mallet. Right, press down. There you go. Firmly and gently push this to the left. It's been installed flush, as you can see. Grab 2 screwdrivers. Grab another screwdriver. Grab the buttons. And hit it with the rubber mallet once again. As you can see, that's the new removal placement of the motherboard.